This video will guide you on a transformative journey, unveiling the remarkable potential of the Master's in Project Management degree. Expands your understanding of project management tools, organizational strategies, and theoretical concepts, hands-on approach and explore innovative project management practices. Comprehensive and immersive curriculum that delves deep into project management tools, organizational strategies, and theoretical concepts. Engage in practical, hands-on learning and explore innovative project management practices. Duration 2 years, eligibility criteria, qualification from any recognized body with a level equivalent to a bachelor's qualification, diploma 2 years from a recognized institution and to possess 10 years of work experience with a minimum of 3 years of experience as a manager or a team leader position. Benefit from instructional hours, live lectures, and convenient access to our robust learning management system. Formulate integrative business projects, understand marketing strategies, adapt to digital technologies, excel in cross-cultural communication, foster innovation, deliver persuasive oral and written arguments, grasp global business contexts, make sound financial decisions. Join Texila American University's esteemed program and unlock your capabilities as an exceptional project manager, program manager, project consultant, or business operations manager.